This is Brad and Bianca. We're all good. Well, I mean, kind of. Apparently there's paint night going on. And this is what happens when you watch too many YouTube videos.
Hopefully this comes out nice.
Well, hopefully something happens soon. And given it's 2 minutes, I mean, we're buying time. I guess meanwhile, he's taken the quarantine very well. He's been tested numerous times. So far, he's just dumb.
Need a little bit more gold.
Oh man, my life.
Okay, back to gray.
Is something gonna happen?
Babe,
What is...
you're the worst cameraman
Why am I the worst camera?
because you don't talk.
Oh.
Cameramen don't talk.
We're at 1:30.
It's gonna be a little longer than 2 minutes.
Well, it can't be. It's
Yes,
only
it
supposed to be
can.
2 minutes. All right.